Cheers to Saturday, and who will be our lucky contestants? I spy with my little eye. Ding ding ding. Let's do it. Hey there, wanna win some cash? Oh wow! Yes? Just sign here, please. You won't regret it.
I mean, if it makes us rich, right? Bring on the money.
Yep, we're doing this. Whoa! What? So bright. Don't mind me, kids. So, you wanna make some money? I'm looking at you guys. Let's begin. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, action!
What else is on?
Whoa! Cool. Just look at these little guys. They have no idea what's coming. Emma, have you ever seen this many burgers in your life? Wow! And it's all for me! Let's get this party started then. Are you ready?
Oh, wow. He's really going in for it. Delicious! I'm ready for another.
This is one awesome challenge.
How's Liam doing? I gotta kick this into high gear. Don't have a whole lot of time left. Chew faster, come on!
Emma's not beating me, is she? She eats faster than I thought. Hey! Hello? This clock's going awfully fast. Poor thing. Bring this to the boy. Oh. A magic cocktail? Maybe time is finally on my side. Tastes like water. Time to clear this plate, baby! That really worked! My man. Oh boy. Whoa. And that makes Emma our winner. What? No way! You win, huh? Not bad.
Did he just eat her?
Ouch. Hello. Come on, bring the food in. Chip chop. Chips? Wow! I've never seen a bag this big.
This is incredible! And I bet I could eat all of them. Yep, definitely.
How many potatoes is this? Huh? I can't bite it. Aw. What good is it if I can't eat it? Unless… Yep. Whoa. That was harder than I thought. Emma, why are you dancing?
Okay, I'm done playing nice. And? How is this even possible?
I think I know what to do. See these blocks? They'll help me split this in two. Channeling my inner strength. And… ha! It actually worked! Oh, sure. I'll take some pics. You can hang these on your walls, ladies.
I can do you one better. This is actually kind of fun. Did it work? Bingo! Let the munching begin. Aim and fire! Spectacular!
You started eating already?
Hey, I think I ate them all. I win! You lose, Liam! She did
it! These are good. Wait a minute. Yep, that's it. Hope you guys like noodles. Like, really like noodles.
We get to eat with chopsticks? Awesome! Good thing I've been using these things forever.
These are good.
You can say that again.
These things are just slowing me down. Oh yeah, this is way better.
Let me try!
Oh, I really ought to speed things up.
Ditto! Now this is more like it! Isn't it gorgeous?
You finished the whole thing, Emma? But how?
Ta-da! I call it my noodle do.
I noodle don't have the hair for that. Hey, that Emma girl isn't playing fair. I don't think so.
Huh? Wait, let me explain! Ah! I'm gonna drown in noodles! Somebody make it stop!
Whoa! I guess that means I finally won. Yeah! This feels awesome! Ever see this combination before? Don't knock it till you try it. In fact…
Ha! Scissors win! What am I snacking on today? Broccoli? Not my fave. Blech. In you go.
And for me… Hey, I do love a little kick.
And what comes next? Well, it's definitely interesting. Hey, at least they're sweet, right?
Let the blending commence!
Ugh, that is not looking too good. That green belongs on trees, not tongues!
This is about as good as it's gonna get. Ooh, that's chunky.
This doesn't look so bad. Ugh, it doesn't even smell like food. Now I'm ready. Ugh, gross!
Your face. Bottoms up. Ah, that was easy. Whoa! Ooh, I don't feel so good. Let me in! Oh gosh!
Blech. Ugh, I can still smell something bad.
Oh, so much better. What's up? Phew. What's with the mask? I won? Woohoo! That's how it's done, people! Oh, that's embarrassing.
You see that?
Wait. Of course. Let's do this. Donuts, donuts everywhere.
And they're all for us to eat. Let's go!
So sweet. Wow. So good.
I love this challenge! I'll never get sick of eating these.
It's like a never-ending sugar train. Hand it over. Cameramen get hungry too, you know. Thanks.
I don't know how much more I can eat. I'm pretty full.
I'm in the same boat, dude.
I have an idea. I'll burn some of this stuff right out of me. Phew. Elbows to knees. Come on, let's go.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. Ugh, my body's starting to reject them. Oh. What?
Hey, I've got plenty of room now. Okay, now where was I? Good thing I'm good at multitasking. Look at her! Woohoo! Victory is mine! And boy, does it feel good! Okay, so now what?
Wondering who won the money? Who should it be? Who should it be?
Huh? What's this for?
What?
It's the money! I'm rich!
Well, that doesn't feel like cash. Congrats, Emma. You've got the biggest appetite. Well, think you could eat that much? Love ya!
Here, you deserve some of this too. Oh, thanks. I've had enough.
Fruit challenge! Yay! I'm first. Go ahead. I'm gonna pick this one. Big! Woo! A fishing rod? I don't want to catch my own food.
Haha, good luck with that.
I'll take this card. Small? Well, that's disappointing. Whatever. I'm ready. Great. Exactly what I wanted. A smaller fishing rod.
Nah, 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 nah.
Okay, here goes.
What a lovely day. It's so nice to get out of the ocean and work on my tan. I'm so pale.
Not again! I've got something! It's putting up a fight!
Seriously? How would you like it if someone hooked you? Give me that!
Oops. I love your tail! How embarrassing. Okay, I wonder what I'll catch. This is so exciting! Chef Pierre has a 3-month waiting list, but I'm here at last. The finest smoked salmon. Huh? That cost an entire month's wage! Well, dinner is ruined. Oh! I got something! This smells so good! Wow, this is great! I need more.
Here, fishy fishy!
Time for our first challenge. Me first. Huh? There's nothing under mine. But I'm hungry. I want to eat 100 layers of something. Oh, whoa! Look at all those layers! The ultimate burger! Cheese and lettuce and burger patties! Time to dig in! Wait. How do I even eat this? I've got it! I'll just smash it all down until it fits in my mouth! Come on, burger! Smash down! What's that? You have ketchup all over your face! Joke's on you. I have something to eat now. Whatever. I haven't even opened my cloche yet. Huh. There's nothing under mine either. That means the waiter should be here any second. I guess not. Oh. Maybe it's because there is something on my plate. I'll just need to take a closer look. A very tiny burger. How can I eat this? Oh! Some tweezers! That should work. Got it. Down the hatch you go. Even though it's tiny, it tastes great. I'm pretty sure you just ate imaginary food. I'll keep my giant burger. Thanks.
Oh, this is gonna be good. It's a sandwich! A boring old sandwich. What's all that? Nope. Just bread. It's better than nothing, right? I know! I just need one slice to start. Ready for this? Swipe! Oh, now we're talking! It's like the sandwich of my dreams! Countless layers of all my favorite things. Ta-da! And all I get is this measly thing? So unfair! I guess I can share the wealth. Aw, thanks! Wow, this thing's a beast! Good thing I'm hungry. Let's do it! So sweet! And salty too! That totally hit the spot. Your face! No, your face! At least we both look crazy. Let's keep going then.
You go first. You're so kind. I'll go. Please be something nice. Aw, rats. Small. I'm so hungry. Cool. Eyeballs. They actually look tasty. Well, let's see what they're like. You know, these are yummy. I can't stop eating them. What's happening? That is so gross. I hope it's the big plate. Yeah! I got it! Whoa! Whoa! Where is it? I'm waiting. Are you sitting on it? It's gotta be around here somewhere. Ahem.
Oh my gosh! Where did you come from?
Thanks. Please don't hurt me. I'm not getting a good feeling from this.
Please don't be anything disgusting. I don't like this.
It's only food. What's the worst that can happen? Wow! It's enormous! I can't wait to get stuck into this! No one around? Nothing strange? Okay. Who taught you how to eat? I mean, it was kind of impressive. I knew she was a big mouth, but wow. Did this video leave you feeling hungry? We're right there with ya. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe to our channel.